I think it's important that the people that come in here, that they don't look at us as an automotive repair shop, but we're their friends, we're their neighbors, we're someone that cares about what they're going through. Making them feel comfortable about they've not just come to an automotive repair shop, but they've come into a place that is truly caring about what they're experiencing and what their concerns are.
When we take our cars in for maintenance or repair, most of us have the same thought: can I really trust this place? Our next guest represents a company founded on honest and ethical car repair and giving back to the community all over the country. Donnie Carr is with Christian Brothers Automotive. Hi there.
Hi, Deborah.
This is one of those areas where a lot of us don't really know what's going on with our cars, and we leave it up to the person we take it to, and that's kind of how this company came about.
Absolutely. So back in 1982, we were founded. 96, we started franchising. We want to be an organization that delivers transparency to our guests when they're getting their vehicle serviced.
Yeah, and we say Christian Brothers, you all are a faith-based organization as well, company.
Yes, ma'am, we are.
All right. So, Matthew, love your neighbor as yourself.
Yeah, so one of the founding principles of Christian Brothers Automotive is we want to love our neighbor as ourselves. We want to be that light in the community and the industry that we feel like we're called to be.
Yeah, and that comes down to how you actually do business as well. So you have owner-operators on site.
Yes, so the large majority of our locations are franchise operated. The business owner is there making sure that we're giving that excellent service to every one of our guests.
Yeah, and you also work with the customer on what decisions need to be made about their car.
Yes, so we have a tremendous digital vehicle inspection where the guests can see exactly what's wrong with their vehicle. We don't have to just explain it to them. They can see the pictures, the videos, what's going on with that vehicle, so they can trust the repair is being done well and correctly.
Yeah, and even helping us with maintenance, right?
Yes, absolutely. So we want to make sure that what your needs are being met by our technicians in our house, getting that vehicle on the road, well maintained.
Yeah, well maintained and safely on the road. But for a lot of people, that's connected to their livelihood, right? That car gets them to where they need to get their kids to school, gets them to work. But it's really stretching that dollar when they can't afford some of those simple things like an oil change, for example.
Absolutely. The vehicle is a huge part of people's lives. It is how they get from A to B. It is how they pick up kids, take them to school. It's how they get to work, and we don't take that role lightly.
Yeah. So you're out there to help. You have the 9th Annual National Service Day.
Yes. So this Saturday will be our 9th Annual National Service Day. We are going to 183 of our locations. We'll be opening up on Saturdays, which we traditionally aren't, and we'll be serving single moms that need just a little extra boost. We'll be doing oil changes, and then we'll also be looking over the vehicles. If there's additional repairs needed, we're going to take care of those for them free of charge as well.
Yeah, when you first decided to do this, you thought there'd be a few people that came in, but what happened?
We have had a lot. We've seen there's a lot of need out there, and we are excited to look at every opportunity we can to meet that need and to grow.
Yeah, and so when people come in, they can get just that oil change, for example. That can mean avoiding a whole lot of other problems down the road. It's kind of like when we have a cavity. If you get that cavity filled, then you don't have to worry about getting a root canal later, right?
Yes, absolutely. So get that oil change done, see if there's any other repairs that we can take care of for them, and make sure that vehicle is running and on the road for a long period.
Yeah, okay, so when we support somebody like Christian Brothers and we take our cars to you all are able to do good things in the community, but you also don't mind having community partners in this effort as well.
No, we don't. We know that we don't know where all the need is out there, and so we look to our community partners to share with us, hey, this is a family, this is a person who's in need that can need some assistance.
Yeah, all right. Well, if you're interested in partnering with Christian Brothers Automotive Stores as an organization or a church with individuals who could be served, or if you would like to donate supplies or other items, please reach out to them at community@cbac.com. And for more information on Christian Brothers Automotive and their National Service Day event, also log on to cbac.com. Thank you very much.